Are you tired of replacing your broken Voyager camera? Stop buying cameras that have lenses made out of plastic and upgrade to a quality AgCam from Dakota Micro with the best warranty in the business. Most Voyager monitors look like this, or maybe this. Most Voyager monitors have a harness that looks like this. And to make the switch easy, all you need is our DMAC-ADVX-M adapter cable. And you can plug a new AgCam right into your existing Voyager system. With a TE connectivity 4-pin male connector on one side and a Switchcraft EN3 5-pin male connector on the other side. AgCam, EnduraCam, and RazerCam cameras are the toughest cameras on the market. We've been in the business making cameras in the USA for over 23 years. Our cameras are built to last with a durable triple O-ring sealed waterproof design. And when your Voyager plastic lens fogs up or the camera stops working altogether, invest in an AgCam so you'll never have to replace it again. Make sure you verify what signal and format your Voyager monitor accepts. Does it support CVBS or AHD signal? Or both? And what format? NTSC or PAL? Or both? Once you know that, it's easy. Visit our monitor input guide on our website to see all of our adapter cables and more. We even have a whole page dedicated to them because we're that confident that we have the right cable just for you. All these cables are built to last, and they're tougher than keeping up with your boss's IMs at 4:55 p.m. And the best part is, they're made right here in the USA because we believe in building things right the first time. I'm getting really good at that shot.